Hello, my friends. My name is Stani Budios, and today we are going to be fucking up alarm clock. Yep, and as you can see, I paid a small fortune for this thing, so you better like this damn video. Also, sorry if the camera management's a bit bad. I don't got a tripod on me currently, so just bear with me. Hammer drop test. Damn! From a bit higher up. Holy shit. Giving the hammer a little bit of help. Oh! Fucking A! Wow. Beautiful, innit? One hit causes that. Get all this pesky glass out of here. It's useless to us. Oh, how glad I am that I caught that on slow-mo. God damn it. So not only is this alarm clock a cheap piece of shit, but it's also a thief. Two negatives that don't make a positive, clearly. God damn it. Let go of my fucking hammer. There it is. Oh. Boy, has this speaker seen better days. You see this? Look. This is apparently a magnet. It sticks to my hammer. Can't allow that. This thing already stole from me enough. Bye, Felicia. Please. Why the hell is it smoking? That did not just fly like 18 feet. Okay. Woo! Thank you guys for watching whatever the hell this train wreck was. See you around.